proceeding to do something dangerous. My protective goggles. Prepare for surgery. PWNAGE sent me a big box of their gaming peripherals. I'm really interested in the keyboard. It does say Ultra Custom after all. But other than that, there's no information other than it's optical, mechanical gaming. And the box is cool. That open. There we go. And there's so much static electricity, I'm shocking my arm hair. Switch puller, keycap puller, one of my favorites. Ow, shocking myself on everything today. I think the top plate is aluminum. The book does not say, but since I shocked myself on it, I think it is hot swappable top cover. So it should be pretty easy to remove. Keycaps are surprisingly really clean. I've got to look up the price later on. I'll plug it in. RGB, here we go. Oh no, my own cable tip is too fat to put in. That is a perfect fit. So I plugged it in. RGB. Sort of flickery. It's definitely a setting on my camera. In real life, it's quite smooth. Here's the fun part. The top cover is supposed to be removable. Here's the keyboard. It's $110. So it's an Ultra Custom, available in black or white. Ooh. I got the black, and then you get optical switches, red, brown, or blue. Variety of different keycap colors, top plate colors, aviator cable or not. So 105 keys, a lot of keys. Ooh, pre-installed dampening foam, 1 gigafeet to 2 gigafeet. Nice. The legends on the keycaps doesn't scream gamer. That's accurate. They're all very closed, very simple, very clean legends. Top cover. Ooh, wow, it comes right off with barely any friction. This is not aluminum. Oh, that's aluminum. This is not aluminum. This is just straight up plastic, and I almost broke it just by trying to flex it a little bit. Don't flex it. But this is aluminum. Pretty solid. Thicker than Corsair. Maybe even thicker than Asus. It is north facing. North facing and optical switches. Be pretty easy to open up and lube. I need to replace the top cover. So I've got the blue for the top cover, or the mint, or the purple. So I should look at them before we decide. I'm gonna have so many top covers by the time we're done with this. So this is the purple case. Purple. And yes, it is as vibrant as you see. They all come with, I think they're diffusers for the different caps lock, scroll lock, Windows lock. So that's purple. Purple is very pretty. This one is mint. Mint blue, beautiful. A little more vibrant than the mouse pad. And this is blue. Also a very pastel-y blue, not dark blue. More of a lavender-ish blue, a purple, and a mint. Which one should I go with? Ooh. Sorry you had to witness that. I've never had a keyboard so colorful. Other than the keycaps. You have fairly easy installation. Pop it on like so. Wait, what is this? Do I cut it out? The black one didn't have that. I'm so confused. I think I cut it. On the sales page, it doesn't have that bar that I have here. That weird blockers on all of them. Bet you have to cut it like a Gundam model kit. Yeah, that must be it. So I'm gonna get my flash cutters. I've got it. Gundam kit, let's go. I'm proceeding to do something dangerous. I think I need protective eyewear though, if I'm gonna do this right. My protective goggles. Why do I look so lame with protective goggles on? I wanna be cool. We prepare for surgery. Pretty easy. And then one more. Easy cut. Take off the safety goggles. Everything was okay. Very easy cut. Pretty thin end on either side. Maybe they intended it this way. But how come it didn't come with a note or anything that said, please cut when you receive? Ooh, it's just magnetic. Ooh, wow. Ooh, so toolless design. I like that. I wonder if they patented that or something. Fairly low profile kind of case. Pretty slim. So you could use the keyboard without any top plate. If you're interested in the floating keycap design, which I don't think anybody is interested in anymore, since they're so easy to install, we might as well take a look at all of them. That's the blue. I dig it. It's as if I took this cover, went outside, sanded it all with my sandpaper and stuff, and then was like, well, I'm gonna spray paint it. But instead they're like, no need, you don't need to do that anymore. Instead, you can buy this. Save time, spend a little bit of money, but you don't need to breathe in toxic fumes while spray painting. The purple is very vibrant. If you had a specific keycap set that you really wanted to pair with this, it would work out. But yes, I agree with all of you. Mint is better. Mint is OP. Can't do a pattern, but if you do want to do a pattern, then you just take this off, tape the parts that you don't want painted, and then you're like, oh yeah, spray paint time. You could do some sanding and stuff. So purple and blue gonna go away for now. This keyboard has a lot of potential. I really like it. If they patented this like customizability thing, I'm gonna change the keycaps out as well, since they sent me matching keycaps. Purple. I don't know how I feel about purple. Mint is a little bit different than the Corsair green. This is more minty and the others are more like neon highlighter green. And then blue. So the real question is, do we match or do we mix? Or do we mix and match? A gradient combo. That'd be cool. We only have 3 colors. Split it like this. I'll just wing it. Okay, I have a plan. The plan is to start it off like so, and then divide it maybe here, and then do the rest. I don't know how good this would look. It could really suck. Or it could be amazing. Space bar. Mint blue. I'll have to make that decision. No need to spray paint your keycaps when you could do this. While we're here, I might as well put some syringe lube. The other day, I filled up more of this. Look how much dielectric grease is in there. And then the rest be purple. What do you think so far? It looks better than if I painted it. Mint or blue? I think blue is better. And then the rest be purple. Close this like that. And then pop this back on. Ooh, what do you think? I think it looks really nice. I don't think the RGB will be super awesome with the camera. If you pretend it wasn't so flickery, it looks pretty good. Yeah, you can see the legends through the keycaps. They're nice looking. So, finished keyboard. It's as if I customized it myself. Super easy, no spray paint, no sanding, and definitely no 48-hour wait time between primering and then spray painting and waiting for everything to dry. In terms of sound, I didn't change anything. Could probably get some spacebar foam for this guy. This guy is really loud. But other than that, I think it's special. They could do more things to improve their product, but for what it is, a gaming optical mechanical, oh, that's confusing. A gaming optical keyboard. Pretty cool. They did something unique with their top plate and their magnetic thing. I would definitely like to see other companies do something similar. I could see someone rocking this. Someone super into the cool color spectrum. I think if they did hot swap mechanical, it's a solid keyboard. Oh, and I also don't like how tight this thing is. So tight that it won't fit any other of my cables. It's not even that big of a difference. And yet the blue one does not fit. Alright, in addition to super customizable keyboards, they offer the exact same thing for their mice. Similarly, you can be like, oh my gosh, I want a matching mouse. Alright, I'm gonna get my game on with my Mint mouse pad and my Mint everything keyboard. Very pretty. I'll probably make the mint blue mouse too. You'll see some of that action moving forward. I like colors. Colors are fun. Alright, I want to show you the cats. Hey, Huggy. The cats are having fun. That is it for me. Now I've got to get my game on. Start playing some Valorant. Thank you so much to everyone for being here.